So, you're the new recruit? Welcome aboard, new buddy. Before I let you loose, there are a few things you should know. We offer discreet package pickup and deliveries with a no questions asked policy. Let's remember that while we're on the job. Only thing you should know is where to get the package and where to deliver them. Do not concern yourself with anything else but packages. We are already running a little bit late, so let's get started. You have 3 late-night packages waiting. Mr. Johnson really misses his pistol. Shooting with fingers is just not the same. Go to Kalivala Guns and pick up his repaired pistol.
Don't you worry about me, little delivery man. But if you are so concerned about me, there is something you can do. Drinking costs money, and at the moment I'm thirsty and I have no money. If you have any job for me, come and find me.
Not a little late picking up packages. Well, just to make a habit of being late. You were lucky I was still here. Anyway, got your package here. But before you leave, I have a question. Do you believe in ghosts? That package is not a toy, but a real functional gun. Do not fool around with it, or you just might become one.
Right on, buddy. I knew you would be a team player. All right, 2 to go. Mr. Jordan seeks some fine wine for his morning picnic. A local brewery has prepared a wine selection package for Mr. Jordan.
And what do you need? I thought they would send someone more presentable. We don't need any extra bad reputation by having your type of people walking around here. Take heat and leave. Faster the better.
You are doing an awesome job, buddy. Last late night package left. Oh, forgot one thing. Last delivery guy decided to quit and just disappear, leaving every package behind him. It took us many special favors to gain our clients' trust again. Let's not repeat that mistake. Okay, buddy? Mr. Bordello wants some fresh meat for a late night snack. Local butcher Don has prepared a meat selection package for client enjoyment. Remember, no tasting the client food, or I will bite you. Oh, you like it? Well, we are gonna be great buddies. Hopefully quite close buddies.
Don't drinking costs money, and at
Fresh face in search of fresh meat. Just a moment while I get your package. In order to satisfy your lust for the flesh, I must ask you a favor. I seem to be missing a bit of meat to complete the order. Bring me any kind of meat and I will finish your special package.
don't you worry about me. Drinking costs money, and at the moment I'm... Great. That sounds it.
I do thank you for the special delivery. He will give joy to many more meat lovers. Have a meaty night.
Great job, buddy. You got all the packages. Now deliver the packages back to the office and get some well-deserved sleep.
Bruh.
Not a little. Well, anyway.
Right on. Mr. I told you not to concern yourself with anything but packages. I was really cheering for you. I take no pleasure to see you disappear, but you should have listened to me.